So what actually is period poverty? Period poverty is defined as the lack of or access to sanitary products, the lack of access to education and awareness around this issue, which, as we mentioned before, is a taboo subject in many communities here in Lebanon and in many other camps. So how are we at Jigsaw tackling the issue of sanitary products, or the lack of? So we've decided to go for a sustainable long-term option, which is reusable pads. And the benefit of these pads is that if used properly with the correct awareness and education, which is something that we also provide to the beneficiaries, these can last the beneficiary for up to a period of 3 years. So we encourage you to support the Dignity Project and help us to create a healthier world piece by piece.